Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. It's Andrea here and I'm ready to show you how to make shrimp, scallop, and squid with vegetables. You can find this dish in Chinese restaurants. I normally have it when we attend banquets. It's definitely the perfect dish to start off sometimes a 10-course meal. It's light and tasty and just the perfect amount of savory. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a more hearty dish that can be your main course for days when your family needs some veggies and seafood. So let's get started. Start by washing 8 medium-sized scallops and putting them in a medium-sized bowl. These are actually bigger than medium-sized. I wanted something chunkier and couldn't resist the big scallops today. But normally you might want slightly smaller scallops so that your family can have more scallops to go around for this dish. Then peel, devein, and wash 10 large shrimps. Put these in another medium-sized bowl. Finally, the squid. Here I have the head. I bought this from the store already cleaned and prepared, so all I have to do is rinse it. I'm going to take my knife and carefully slice the side open, and then I'm going to open it up. As I mentioned in a previous video, the inside of the squid has a layer of membrane that when cooked, it's a little tough to bite through, so scoring the membrane will help make it easier to bite through later on. After scoring, slice the squid into strips. Next, in a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of shaoxing wine, half a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of fish sauce, and 1 pinch of salt. Stir and divide the mixture amongst the squid, scallops, and shrimp. Let them marinate for at least 15 minutes. Now wash about half a pound of snow peas and remove the string along the top of the snow pea. Drain and rinse a can of straw mushrooms and take about a quarter of the can and slice each mushroom in half. Then save the rest for another meal. Peel and diagonally cut half of a large carrot. Diagonally cut 2 stalks of celery. Mince 3 cloves of garlic and cut 2 large pieces of ginger into matchsticks. In another bowl, combine 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a pinch of ground white pepper. Heat up a wok over medium-high heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add in the garlic and ginger and stir until fragrant. Next, add in the carrots and the scallops and toss frequently, being careful not to break up the scallops. The key is gentle, gentle, gentle. Stir fry for 3 minutes. Then add in the shrimp, the snow peas, and the celery. Stir fry for another 2 minutes and then add in the squid and the sauce mixture and let it go for another minute. Finish with half a tablespoon of sesame oil and toss. Here it is, friends! What a nice mixture of veggies and protein. As you can see, this is a larger portion than what you would normally get at a restaurant, but I thought it'd be a perfect main course with enough proteins. And here it's perfect on its own or paired with rice or maybe even noodles. Thank you again for joining me today. If you liked my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fun food ideas. Until next time, friends. Mwah!